Let's see how to reset this Tapo Mini Smart Wi-Fi plug. This is the Tapo 125M, but it works for any smart plug from Tapo, right? You just need to come here and press this button and hold it for 10 seconds, then you're going to reset. You see here that I have it working with my lamp, so when I press here, I turn on and turn off, and from here I can do the same. I can turn on and off, just right here. There we go. And you see, when I want to reset it, I just need to press and hold this button, okay? Let me just do this. So I just come here and I press and hold for 10 seconds. So let me just press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you see now that starts flashing. So it's reset and ready to go. Then after some time, it just disappears from here, from the Tapo app. Just need to wait for some time, or just come here and add the plug again, right? Just come here to the plus signal, add a new device. And from here, you look for plugs. Choose the one that you want. In my case, here is the Tapo 125M. I'm just find here, there we go. And then it's flashing orange and blue, so I'm ready to go. I just select this one. Wait for my cell phone to connect directly to the plug via Bluetooth. There we go. You found it. And then I just need to wait for the connection and inform which Wi-Fi to use. Basically now my cell phone is telling the plug which Wi-Fi to connect to and which password to use. I have here a temp password. Just I hit next. Next again. And now the smart plug is connecting directly to the Wi-Fi router and is going to use the password for this connection. There we go. Here I can just name my plug. I will leave it like this, Tapo P125M. Hit next, select a location, my office. Next again, select an icon. Next one more time. Here, almost done. I just check if there's a new firmware. I have the latest one. It sounds good. Here's the firmware update. I just hit got it and I'm good to go. It's working again. Let me just test it. So I just hit here. I can turn off and turn on the plug from here from my Tapo app, right? So I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can reset a Tapo Mini Smart Plug. Leave your comments, subscribe, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.